Alison O'Connor with the CSU Extension Office in Larimer County. We're here on the CSU campus taking a look at a few tree problems. One thing you might commonly see on many of our fruit and ornamental trees are what we call root suckers. These are these adventitious growths coming out from the base. They absolutely drive people crazy, rightfully so, but all you need to do is take a pair of pruners and cut them back to the ground a couple times during the growing season. What this will do is it will suppress the growth and get rid of the suckers so it looks a little bit better in the landscape.